Okay, in this video we will see how to use local storage, means how you can save the data in local storage, how you can get the data and use it. So after I capture the object, let me go to create. This is the place where we are pushing that object, captured object to array. This is the place where I am going to save this data in local storage. So to store in local storage dot set item. For this we need to give two parameters. One, on which name you want to save. I want to save this as a user. What you want to save. So to save the data, you cannot save it as a JSON format. You need to convert this into string format. JSON dot stringify passing the users. Okay, now let's check. I have captured the object. Now I captured. Now to check whether it has been stored or not, go to application, go to local storage, click on this. See, this is the array created. If I add one more object, see, now I have stored. If I refresh also, the data will be there. Means if I close the browser, if I open the browser once again,
it will be there in local storage.
Yes, it will be there in local storage. Go to the application, see, it's there in local storage.
So what is the use of this?
Yes, when you refresh the page, for example, if you are adding a record, I have added. Okay. Now I think it is overriding that. It's okay. Now whatever data I am capturing, it's getting stored here. So if I close the browser and reopen the application, I want this data to be maintained. I want the data to be displayed out there. To do that, what I am doing, while you declare this users.empty array, I am going to get the data from the local storage. That data will be saved in users. Since the data is in string format, I need to convert the data into JSON format. To do that, JSON.parse. So to get the data, I need to use local storage dot get item. What is the data? Users. So what I am doing here, I am capturing or I am getting the data whatever I have stored in browser local storage. Then the data is converted into JSON format. That data is stored in users. So now what happens? After I get this data, so if I have users, if users are available, then I am going to call this function, else I am going to create users equal to empty array. It means you might be getting data from the local storage, or you might not get the local storage data, because if you are opening this application in the different machine, there you have not stored the data. So that time your users won't have the data. That time it will become an empty array. See now what happens. See, when I refresh the page, it's remained same. So if I add one more record, let us add one more record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I refresh, this will be stored. If I clear this, go to console, local storage dot clear. Now it will be cleared. If you see application, there is no data. If I refresh, nothing will be there. If I add, okay, if I close the browser and see, that is getting retagged. So basically what we are trying to do is whatever data we captured from the form, we stored in a storage called local storage,
Okay.
which is available for us in our browser. If you see here, application, local storage, here we have. If I add on more 123@gmail.com, it can stay. You can display the data. That's all for this video. Next video, what we will do, we will first we'll complete the delete portion, then we will go to edit portion.